Last week, we saw how the chromosomal theory of inheritance explained Mendel's principles, that alleles on homologous chromosomes segregate into gametes, and that genes on different chromosomes assort independently. However, we also know that every organism we've ever studied has more genes than it has chromosomes. And so if genes are on different chromosomes, they assort independently. What happens if they're on the same chromosome? Well, it turns out that sometimes they still assort independently, and sometimes they're inherited together. Genes that are inherited together, we say that they're linked. And this idea that some genes are tightly linked, that some genes are loosely linked, that some genes aren't linked at all, even though they're on the same chromosome, form the basis of a huge amount of modern genetics, particularly human genetics. Before we can turn our attention to humans, though, we need to have a look at the physical basis for linkage and why not all genes on a chromosome, which is a single linear physical piece of DNA, will remain linked.